Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so we're going to be placing a fuel vent on here. I cleaned it up a little bit. I thought the line was leaking, but it kind of looked like it was, but it's not. It's just this fuel vent. So I've got another one. I'm going to toss that one. We're going to try this one. So let's make sure it's on there. Slide that little guy back in there. Quick and easy, just like that. Alright. Now, okay, this has to be done. Yeah, the throttle is what I thought. So, gotta move this little guy out. Let's get a little wrench. This is pretty loose. I want to make sure it gets good and tight. I think it's like a half inch or something. No. It's 7/16. No. Oh, what? Seriously, so that... Okay, that is right. Sort of... My pliers are... ready. Sure it's in there. Alright, so that should be good. So, anyways, guys, let's adjust them. Okay, that's all pretty tight. So, anyways, guys, we will see you guys later. Bye.